how to make money on Upwork as a WordPress theme designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer looking for work. Then click on apply as a freelancer. And then you proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email, continue with email, and then enter the password and log in. After that, you will proceed to set in your profile. So here, wait for it. And this is where you're going to set your profile. And this is the last step of creating your profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning, to start from the first steps of setting the profile. So here, let's go back. And here we are. This is the first step of creating the profile. So let's get started. And here we have a question, and you have 3 answers to choose from. Choose the answer that fits your situation. Have you freelanced before? Choose one of these answers. Then click on next. And then you do the same again with what's your biggest goal for freelancing. Choose the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next. And for the third question, how would you like to work? Make sure to choose all of them answers because they are all important. We will need them all. And then click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options to choose from. You can either import your information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file on your desktop, or you can fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be 15 minutes. So I'm going to choose the third option, start a new profile. And here you enter your skill. For me, it's a WordPress theme designer. Then click on next to add your experience. So here, click on the plus button to add your previous work experience in here. After that, you do the same again with your education history. You can add your education history in here. And after that, you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak or write in. So here, English is a must. You cannot work in the platform without English. As you can see, all profiles include this. And here you choose your level in that language. So my level in English is conversational. And here you can add other languages if you can speak them. So I'm going to add 2 more languages. The second one is my native language, which is Arabic. And the third one is a language that I know a little bit because I studied it in school, which is French. So here I'm going to choose my level in Arabic is native. And my level in French is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter your skills. They've already suggested some skills for us, like WordPress theme, WordPress, BBPress, WordPress plugin, and the maximum is 15 skills. So you can add as many because there is enough room for a lot of skills. And when you're done with adding your skills, click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio. As you can see, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and type, I'm a WordPress theme designer, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very decent bio. You will just need to add some personal information to the bio of yours, and then copy and paste it in here. For me, going to ChatGPT will make the video very long. So I'm going to take Marty's bio and paste it in here in order to proceed to the next step, which is choosing your categories. So here you can either search for a service in these categories or in this list, or you can just choose the one that is suggested for you, which is web and mobile design, and then click on next to set your rate. So here you can choose your hourly rate, the amount that you're happy with. For me, I'm going to go with $30. We can improve that later. We can go up or go down based on our competitors. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So then click on next to add your photo and location. So here make sure to fill all of the location information and the date of birth. And when uploading your photo, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with your profile creation, I'm going to show you what I do in order to improve this profile of mine to attract as many clients as possible. So basically the idea is that I search for my competitors, the WordPress theme designer, and I look for the highest earner amongst them, and then I see what is he doing in his profile, and I try to find what is working for him. Why does he stand out more than others? And then I just copy paste what is working for him into my profile. So for example, let's search for the highest earner in this category in the WordPress theme designers. So here we have 40 grand, more than 40 grand, more than 20 grand, more than 40. Let's check the second page if we can find more than 40 grand, more than 100 grand. I think that's, but it's not. More than 100, more than 400 grand. This is the highest earner so far. Let's check the third page if you can find something like more than 500 grand. So I think that's the highest earner in this category. So basically the idea is that we're going to spy on his profile, see what is he doing differently than others, and try to implement that to our profile. So I think you get the idea, guys. And if you are looking to find work easily in the platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and here enter your skill, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like the one you offer, and then you can apply for these jobs. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.